Welcome to Simple Food Stories. Today, we're making Ilish Bhappa. Ingredients. All of that. The process. Let's take our fish and marinate it with turmeric and some salt. Simple as that. Now we're just gonna toss it around. We don't really need to use our hands, but if you really want to get that even texture, then you might as well. Let's go ahead and drain the water from the mustard seeds. And we're gonna put that into a blender jar. We're gonna add in the chilies, a little bit of salt, and some water, and we're gonna blend it until we get a smooth paste. Next, we're gonna add the grated coconut, and then we're gonna blend it again until we get a homogeneous mixture. Our masala paste is ready. Next, let's place our masala paste in a bowl. And add some sugar, beaten yogurt. Just scrape all of that in. Add some turmeric. And we're going to mix all of that together. Finally, we're going to add some mustard oil and then start mixing it together until it gets well blended. There we are, the abstract art of cooking. Let's add the fish to our masala mixture. There we go, just put it all in there. And we're gonna make sure that it's all well coated. And yeah, move it around, make sure that all of it has a really great coating on it. There we go. Next, we're gonna cover and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Let's place a stand in a deep pan, add some water up to the level of the stand, and let it come to a boil. Then we're gonna place the fish in a steel tiffin box. We're going to arrange the fish in a single row, so we're not really going to have any stacking going on there. And with the remaining masala, we're just going to pour it all over the fish and, make sure that it's all, again, coming back to the idea of having it well coated. Let's put some slit green chilies over it. And also some mustard oil, just a little bit of it, just drizzle it over. And then we're going to cover it with aluminum foil so that the water does not actually end up seeping in. Just like that, really cover it well. There we are. And we're going to put the cover on it and make sure that it's all tight and good to go. Let's carefully place the tiffin on the stand, and we're gonna let it steam for about 15 to 16 minutes on medium heat. After that, we're gonna carefully take it out and let it rest for about 10 minutes before opening it up. Ilish Bappa is ready to serve. We can serve that with steamed rice. That's what ideally we do it with. So, yeah, enjoy. And until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.